This is the new car with cows on that. You can hear the sound of cattle. Okay, the process of unloading the cow is begin. That's the driver farmer, the owner of the cows and cattle. The process is already begin. There are 5 cows or cattle inside the car and ready to unloading from the car. Okay, you can see the cows or cattle there. It will unloading from the car. There's another truck bring the cow. Okay, one cow will untied and unloading from the car. You see that? Yes, the white cow or cattle, white cattle. And there's a smaller cattle there bringing out. Yes, it's bring to the market while another car is coming. The process of unloading the cattle from the truck is ready, and you can hear the sounds of cows in the background. Look at that. The rope is untied and the car is open. That's a big cow anyway. And then the process of unloading of the cows and cattle. Okay, one cattle is out from the truck. Yes, the cows is unloading already. There's the other cows. Okay, that's it. The cows is bringing by the farmer.